with a sunny stare. Raindrops fall, but I don't care. Cloudy skies, got nothing to prove. I'll turn this fog into a better mood. The forecast whispers better stay inside, but I'll plant hope where the gray clouds glide. Umbrella down, gotta feel that mist. Life's a storm that you can't resist. Oh, it's cloudy with a chance of sunbeams. Chasing dreams, but they're busting at the seams. Life throws rain, but you still gotta gleam. Oh, it's cloudy with a chance of sunbeams. Lightning cracks like a punchline joke. Thunder claps like applause it spoke. We yodel loud just to shift the breeze. Flip this storm to a summer tease. Yodel, yeah. Yodel, oh, hey. Yodel, oh, feel the storm, not gray. Got my rain boots on, but I'm feeling free. Splashes laughing back at me. Dreary days, but a rainbow's near. Every storm sparks light so clear.